Hey guys, how's it going? We're back here. Just figured I'd do a little exhaust sound clip video. This is my dad's 2020 Ultra. Stiletto red. 114. Nice bike. Pretty new. Only got 3,000 miles on it now. He's got the Rinehart 4.5-inch DBX baffles. They actually sound pretty good on a Milwaukee 8. Got a nice little bark to them. Kind of deep and throaty. And they look pretty good. Do a little start up here. See what it sounds like from up here. Then I'll move the camera back a little bit. Yeah, so not bad. They got a nice bark to them. Hope you guys liked the video. These are the Rinehart DBX 4.5-inch mufflers for Harley twin cam on a 2020 114 with a stage 1. Yeah, drop a like, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it. Ride safe.